This is an R tutorial. Got 2 minutes? Learn some statistical programming in R. It's easy, free, and fun. This tutorial how to merge data frames one-to-one, many-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. And then make sure you did it right in R. Let's make 2 data frames, a data frame called P and another data frame called Q. Here's what P and Q look like. Let's merge them together. In R, I'd like to make merging noises when I merge stuff together. There it is. Merge is done. Great. Here's what O looks like, the merged database. Now, this title was a little misleading because, in fact, in R, everything is a one-to-one, many-to-one, many-to-many, or one-to-many merge. Check it out. These 2 A records matched with these 2 A records, and it resulted in these 4 A records. These 2 B records, that was a many-to-many merge, matched with this 1 B record, and resulted in these 2 B records. That's a many-to-one merge. This C record matched these 2 C records, and resulted in these 2 C records. That's a one-to-many merge. And this D record matched with this D record, and resulted in this D record. That's a one-to-one merge. Great. A good way to see if everything in the left-hand side data set merged properly with the right-hand side data set, in this case P and Q, is by setting the all equals parameter to both false and true and counting the number of rows in the merged data sets. In this case, they're both 9. That means that everything in the left data set matched with everything in the right data set at least once. Let's change one thing about the Q data set. I'm going to change this C over here to rar instead. So that rar isn't going to match anything. So what's going to happen if I count the number of records in the in the merge regardless of a match versus the merge with only matching records? They're going to be different numbers. One record didn't match. There's an 8. Now I have to decide if it happened from the left-hand side data set, in this case P, or the right-hand side data set, in this case Q. To do that, I can do all.x equals true and all.y equals true, which keeps only the non-matching records from one side or the other. Well, the shorter side was all.x, so that means that there's a record in y in the right-hand side data set, in this case Q, that doesn't match anything in P. And you can see it there. Look, there's no match for this one. This is from the right-hand side data set, but not the left-hand side data set, and this has been a work of R.